Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help immigrants get green cards every day. Today's video is about temporary protected status, aka TPS for Syria. So if you're Syrian, or if you have TPS for Syria, or you want TPS for Syria, this video is for you. So back in January, I shared that the Biden administration had redesignated and extended TPS for Syria. For those that don't know, TPS is an immigration benefit that's given to immigrants who temporarily can't go back to their home country because of a natural disaster, such as an earthquake or a hurricane that maybe devastates a country, or an epidemic like Ebola, or a humanitarian crisis, such as what's going on in Venezuela, or civil war, which is the reason why temporary protected status was given to Syria. So Syria has had TPS since March 29th, 2012 because of military combat, civil war pretty much. And that is why the Biden administration decided to redesignate Syria for temporary protected status and extend it. So what does this mean for people that already have TPS? So if you already have TPS, then you have to re-register for TPS between March 19th, 2021 and May 18th, 2021. And your TPS will be valid until September 30th, 2022. If you've never applied for TPS before, you can apply for TPS under Syria. Your registration period is between March 19th, 2021 and September 15th, 2021. In order to apply for temporary protected status as a first timer, you have to be continuously present in the United States as of March 19th, 2021, and you have to be physically present in the United States as of March 31st, 2021. And your status will also be valid until September 30th, 2022. If you are reapplying for TPS, so you're re-registering because you already have it, you don't have to pay the filing fee for TPS, and you don't have to pay the re-registration fee if you want a new work card, or if you don't want a new work card. So if you don't want a new work card that has the September 30th, 2022 date on it, then you don't need to apply for that, and you don't have to pay the work permit filing fee for that. If you're applying for TPS as a first timer, you have to pay $50 for the filing fee for the application for TPS. And if you want a work card, then you also have to pay that filing fee, which is $495, including the biometrics fee. So total you're paying for $545 if you choose not to hire an attorney or go somewhere where they are providing pro bono legal services. In order to get TPS as a first timer, there's a lot of information and documentation that you do need to provide, so I do recommend that you work with an attorney. So to recap, TPS for Syria has been extended and redesignated. The filing period to re-register for people that already have TPS, you have to re-register between March 19th, 2021 and May 18th, 2021. You don't have to pay a new fee for the TPS application, and you don't have to pay a new fee for the work permit unless you want a new work permit that has a September 30th, 2022 date on it, in which case you do have to pay for the biometrics and the work permit filing fee, which is $495. If you've never applied for TPS for Syria before and you want to do so now, you have to re-register, or rather, you have to register from March 19th, 2021 until September 15th, 2021. You have to pay the $50 for the TPS application, and you have to pay the $495 for a work permit if you choose to apply for one. And TPS for Syria will now end on September 30th, 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm. And if you'd like some help with your TPS application, please feel free to give my office a call at 508-942-7497. And if you're not doing so already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss the latest news. Thanks for watching.